My name's Joffrey Purrier, and I'm a criminal defense lawyer here at Cofer Connelly in Austin, Texas. If you're watching this, you or someone you care about may have just been arrested, contacted by law enforcement, or learned that charges are coming. It's scary. You're thinking about your freedom, your job, your license, and your reputation. Here's what I want you to know right away. You're not alone, and you're not powerless. At Cofer Connelly, we're former prosecutors now fighting for your rights. We've seen how the system works from the inside, and we use that experience every day to protect our clients and their futures. Our firm brings together more than 200 years of combined criminal law experience. Many of the lawyers here at Cofer Connelly have stood where the prosecutor is standing now. We've made charging decisions, we've tried cases, and we know how the state builds its case against you. Today, we stand on the other side, using that knowledge to challenge the government's evidence and tell your story. And we don't just talk about fighting for our clients, we have the results to back it up. Across the cases we handle, we have a 93% dismissal or win ratio. That means in the overwhelming majority of cases we take on, our clients walk away with a dismissal, a not guilty verdict, or other outcome that protects them from the worst consequences of a criminal charge. We're also proud to be recognized as an award-winning law firm, having received dozens of the top, most prestigious awards granted to Texas lawyers. Those honors reflect what judges, colleagues, and professional organizations see in our work: preparation, integrity, and a relentless commitment to our clients. But for us, the most important recognition isn't a plaque on the wall. It's the call from a client who gets to go back to their family, finish school, keep their license, or move forward in life without a criminal conviction hanging over their head. The reality is that the criminal justice system in Austin and throughout Central Texas moves fast, and not always fairly. From the moment of arrest, the state is gathering evidence and building a case. Prosecutors are reading police reports, reviewing body cam footage, talking to officers, and making decisions that can affect the rest of your life. If you're charged with a DWI in Austin, a drug offense in Hays County, a family violence case in Williamson County, or a serious felony anywhere in Central Texas, the consequences can be life-changing. Jail or prison time, steep fines, probation conditions that are hard to live under, and a permanent criminal record that can affect your job, your housing, and even your immigration status. This is not the time to wait and see what happens. This is the time to put a proven, experienced, award-winning defense team between you and the government. When you contact Cofer Connelly, here's what you can expect. First, we listen. We sit down with you by phone, video, or in person, and we learn what happened from your perspective. We walk you through the exact charges you're facing, what the law says, and how the local courts and prosecutors typically handle cases like yours. Second, we investigate. We don't simply accept the state's version of events. We dig into the details. We review police reports, body cam and dash cam footage, surveillance videos, digital evidence, and medical records. We look for constitutional violations, inconsistent testimony, weak evidence, and any error that can be used to your advantage. As former prosecutors, we know what really matters to the state and what their weaknesses are likely to be. We anticipate their strategy and start working to counter it from day one. Third, we strategize. There is no one-size-fits-all criminal defense. Some cases are best resolved with a dismissal, some with a reduction in charges or a negotiated resolution that protects your record, and some need to be tried in front of a jury. We develop a strategy tailored to your goals, your risk tolerance, and the evidence in your case. Throughout this process, we keep you informed. You'll always know where your case stands, what options you have, and what we recommend based on our experience. Our job is not just to fight for you in court. It's also to guide you through one of the most stressful moments in your life with clarity and honesty. No ethical lawyer can promise you a specific result. Every case is unique, and the outcome depends on the facts, the law, and the people involved. What we can point to is our record, a 93% case dismissal or win ratio, and dozens of top awards recognizing our work as Texas criminal defense lawyers. What we can promise is that when we take on your case, we bring that same level of preparation, intensity, and commitment to you. We understand that behind every case number is a person, a parent, a student, a professional, a neighbor, whose life and future is on the line. We don't take that lightly. If you've been arrested or under investigation or suspect that you may be charged in Austin or anywhere in Central Texas, don't wait for the situation to get worse. Put former prosecutors, an award-winning law firm, and a team with a 93% dismissal or win ratio in your corner. Call Cofer Connelly now or visit coferconnelly.com to schedule a confidential consultation. We'll walk you through what you're facing, explain your options, and start building a strategy to protect your freedom, your record, and your future. I'm Joffrey Puryear with Cofer Connelly. When everything is on the line, we're ready to stand between you and the government and fight for you every step of the way.